In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a language in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your form can be viewed in another language with a simple toggle for your respondents. Start by opening your web browser and heading to jotform.com. Once you're on the site and signed in, go to My Forms. This is your dashboard where all your forms are listed. Pick the form you want to work on by clicking it once, then click Edit Form. That opens the Form Builder, which is where you'll make all the changes we're about to cover. At the top of the builder, look for the Settings tab and click it. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar. Click Form Settings there to open the main configuration area for your form. If you don't see what you need, make sure you're in Form Settings and not one of the other sections like Emails or Integrations. Now you'll enable Translations. In Form Settings, find the Translations option. This is the feature that lets your form support multiple languages. Click the plus Add Languages button. That opens the language selector and sets you up to choose the languages you want to offer to your form users. A list of available languages will appear. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. When you see the language you want, click it to select it. You can add more than one language if you plan to serve a wider audience. For example, you can go from English to Spanish or English to Filipino, depending on what your respondents prefer. Adding a language here creates the language option that will appear to your users. Your current form language stays as the default unless you change that later. Jotform saves changes automatically as you make them, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. When you're ready to see how it looks, click Preview Form in the top right corner. The preview opens a live view of your form. Look for the language switcher and change it to the language you added. Click through a few fields to confirm the labels and text adjust as expected. If something doesn't look right, return to the builder and the translations area to review your selections. That's it. You opened your form in the builder, went to Form Settings, enabled translations, chose your language, and previewed the result. With this setup, your audience can complete your form in the language that works best for them.